Patient's Manager. In this video, I will give a complete example for the solution. You will receive the software in a compressed file. Extract it using Windows services or any service of your choosing. Now the files are ready for first run. When we run the file for the first time, the following screen might appear. You can activate the VBA macro code either by following the instructions in the linked video, or by installing the activator software, as follows. Click on the Activation App button. The activator app will be downloaded in a compressed file. Extract it similar to what you did with the main software. Now run the activator.exe. And click OK. Congratulations, now you have activated all Ghojah team solutions on your machine. You can delete the activator app if you wish. Now let us run the application. It should work seamlessly. We can log in without username and password. We will set them in the following steps. First thing we have to do is to go to Settings page. Define the doctor name. Define doctor specialty. Clinic phone number. And clinic location. This data will show in reports. Now we define the login username and password for next logins. Also, this software provides the option to make the database at a foreign location, for example the secretary PC, but for this example we will keep it local. Let us change the logo of the clinic. We can use the doctor picture as well. Here I will choose a random picture. Lastly, here we can buy more credits for the diagnosis system if we want. The application will come with 100 free credits. Now let's check the main page. Let's go to full screen mode by clicking on this button. First step is to add the new patient, which is done by clicking the Add Edit Patient button. The Patient Manager will automatically assign a number to the new patient. In this case it is 1. Let's input the patient general data. His phone number. His name. His national ID number. Select his sex. Enter his insurance provider. Select his marital status. And enter his birth year. In short history, we can enter any medical data about the patient to be kept in our system for future reference. Now we fill up chronic diseases and general health section. Then click Save. Now we are in first visit state. Patient information is already loaded. We can start by entering his complaint using his wording. The doctor register the symptoms in here, based on which he will make the diagnoses. Based on the examination and questioning, the doctor inputs his diagnoses. Then enters the prescription. If any lab analysis is required, we add it from here. Similarly for imaging or scans. We can see the patient history and previous visit data in this section. We can add general note about this patient for future reference in here. We can access the patient folder from this button. Here we can save all files related to this patient. Now let us save the current visit. Let's assume the patient is back for a second visit. The previous visit data appears. We see the diagnoses and the requested analysis and scans. Let's enter new visit data. Say that the patient has done the requested analysis and he brought the results. We register them like this. Similarly for scans. Also, the test results and scans can be added from here. Let's save the visit. Again, let's assume a third visit. Let's have a look at the full report. Here we can view the complete history of the patient and all our diagnoses. Also, we find a link for each visits folder to view related files. Now let's enter new visit data. But this time, let's try the diagnoses advisor. In this page, we can fill the symptoms for which the advisor will suggest multiple diagnoses. The symptoms can be filled in two ways, using the drop-down lists for general and special symptoms, or by directly clicking on the body part and select the related symptom and then add it to the list. In our case, we will select stomach ache and nausea. Then we click Get Suggested Diagnoses. The advisor will connect to API Medic and then get all available diagnoses. Note that each diagnosis advisor usage will cost you 1 credit point. If the credit points are exhausted, then you can use the application but without the advisor. Here the system returned 20 suggestions and each with its level of certainty. Details and general treatment description will be shown below if available. Level of certainty will appear for each suggestion at the right. Let's select the diagnoses we believe is the best fit. My selection will be food poisoning. Notice that the diagnosis is returned and the symptoms are automatically registered. Let's see what does this little checkbox do. If ticked, the application will open the visit folder automatically after saving visit details, to allow the doctor to save any file related to that visit. For example, the scans files, images, scanned report, and lab reports. Also, we can access the visit folder using this button, after selecting the wanted visit. By selecting each visit, we can view the diagnoses and the complaint of the patient for that visit. Also, we can view the prescription, lab reports and the scans reports for a specific visit. To edit general patient data, for example change his insurance company, we use the Add Edit Patient button. Apply any changes and click Save. We can also get the application details and send our feedback to Ghojah team using this button. Finally, you can clear the stage using the Eraser button. This concludes complete example for the Patient Manager application. For more information and to purchase the solution, visit our website. dba.ghojah.com